How to get stars in Among Us. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get stars in Among Us. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first what you'll need to do is make sure that you have the Among Us app. After you have it, you can open it up. And now what you'll need to do is just let it load. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. And after you've done that, what you'll need to do is you will need to head over to your shop. Now just let this load here, and there we go. Now head over to your shop, and on shop on the top right side you will see the stars icon. Tap on it. Now you can buy your stars. It's really easy. Just make sure that you have your payment methods entered, and you can simply buy it. As you can see, there are different options here for you to buy stars. Now there are a bundle of 30, 50, 20, 110 and 300. So you can easily buy your stars. Now stars are premium currency, if you guys didn't know, that allows player to purchase various items such as pets and stuff. So yeah, you can easily get it from here. And yeah, that is how you can get stars in Among Us. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.